Hello, this is week 2, and today I'm gonna be showing what I did with CSS. So the HTML is the same as last week. I was just doing just something just to show a little bit about my hometown in Mexico. So I just decided to try to add I want to say like I was going, it's very simple, but I wanted to use like these colors, like green and pinkish, because they contrast a lot. And it's also, I believe, like typical colors, right? Anyway, so right here, we're going to go through the CSS. I decided to use elements here because they are applicable to each of the pages that I have in here. When it comes to the font that I'm using, the background, and also the margins, and I wanted to make everything and look everything to be centered, right? So if we go through each page, it pretty much matches everything. Another element that I use here is in the header 1, header 2. I decided to use this one. This one is also applicable to each of the headers in each page, so they all look the same. And also header 2, that's the only header that I have. Header 2, right here is this one. Then I went through the class selector. Since I have three different or 4 different pages, there were, you know, I just it was just easier to use class selectors. That's what I found. So this is the nav bar. Then we went through the hover, like right here. So it would be black whenever we hover over those options that we had. Then I went through here. This is the list that I had in here. I just wanted to be, I didn't want to look like the list. I just wanted to have it, like this throughout the website. Um, then if we go down, and this is also an image. So since I have different lists, just 1 second. Since I have different lists, I just wanted to make sure that I was that everything looked the same. So using class selectors was the easiest. And also when it comes to the images right here, like each image has the same width and height. Then we're gonna go to the ID selectors. This is the one, I'm sorry, this is the one that I used for here. Since this is also a list, but I want it to look different than the other ones, I decided to use ID selectors just so they would be, they would look different than the other ones, right? Then we're gonna go here to table. I only have one table. So I only have one table, and then we go through here. Like I just decided to add like a caption here, and then like the table for reservations for those restaurants. And then like if we go down, then we have like the form here. The form looks different. I really like how this one looks. Um, and then also the button here. So that's basically my code. Um, I'm just gonna go and launch it again here. Everything seems to be working perfectly. Okay, thank you so much.